Hi guys, it's Matt, MC Model Works. Yeah, we're still making models. I've been doing this Carnage build for a hell of a long time now. What can I say? Well, nearly finished. We've got a leg to do and a few of the blobby strands. And I thought I'd give you a rundown of what we're doing at the moment. The eyes. Okay, get the eyes. The eyes were painted a purple, and then we sprayed a white over the top to give it a bit of, I don't know, a bit of shadow. It comes out quite nice. So that's that. Got a bit of touching up to do in there. Squid pink for inside the mouth. The red is red gore, which is a game colour, Vallejo game colour, and then we used the blood red over the top, just dry brushed it, quick, fast, highlighted pretty much everything I could. And as I said, the black is basically model colour black. This is a commission. I've got to do a detailed base for it. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. And yeah, that's that. At the moment he stands about, I don't know, it's about 11 or 12 inches tall to there. He's a bit in a crouched position, so, but he's looking good. A few cleanups to do. There's a bit of a dot there. I'm not sure where it came from, but it's got to go. The casting on this was absolutely poo. The back of the hand, there was, it was rough. It was really rough. There's pretty much no detail on the back of that hand. All the rest is carved, like up here, all that's carved in, up there. Back of the hand, nothing. Same with the back of the hand on there. No. Fingers. If you're going to make one of these, you're going to have trouble with the fingers. Excuse the noise in the background. Bit of football going on. Not sure what it's about. Anyway, fingers. If you're going to make one of these and you're not using if you're using super glue or cheap super glue, then I suggest you get yourself some copper wire and you pin them on. My advice. Everything else is, all the joints were milliput. Basically just wet it and then drag it up with your fingers like that to the point, and it hides it quite well. So that's that. No joins, no seams, everything's hidden, and that's that. So there we go. Hope you like it as much as the person I'm making it for. And I'll put a gloss, I think it's going to be gloss varnish over the top, stand it out a bit. I'll get in contact with him, with my client, to see what he wants. Matte or gloss finish. But yeah, there it is. Thanks for looking, guys.